Alright guys, June is on vacation, so I had the chance to borrow his car for a month. Yeah, so I'm driving here in D3 spot and let's try to catch some milkfish. I hope we could catch something good. Only 3 hours. 3 hours fishing here in D3 with a Burj Khalifa view. And let's see guys if we could catch something else. Right? Aywa. Nice view, huh? Alright, let's see you guys. Hope we could catch milkfish. Yeah, I like milkfish. Right. Bye. See you. Oh my God, ang daming tao. Aywa. So much pack. Yala, let's go. Oh my God. Alright guys, ang daming tao doon. So try ko rito sa dulo because I can't find myself. I cannot find myself. I can't find a place. Oh, it's all jam-packed. Everything is fishing. Everyone is fishing. Yala, let's try here. Hey Marlon! Oh, kamusta?
Tadali agad.
Di nga.
Isang agis lang.
Kakarating mo lang, meron agad. Napakalupit mo naman. Aywa. Aywa! Oh, lasting! Oh, ano sasabihin?
Pwede na.
Pwede na.
May paulam na.
Walang bangus?
Nakadali ka pa ba?
Dito meron daw eh. Kaya ako umagang yun eh. Anong oras yan? Ngayon lang talaga. Putik ang init. Wala akong pesto.
Nalagay ko ng pain pag-agis ko. Yara.
Anong pain? Ipod? Nice. Shout out Marlon. Dali.
Yung mga kasama, mga isda.
Shout out sir. Edwin. Alright. Daghaman kayo. Marami mo nakapwesto. So, ikot na lang ako. Kita-kita na lang. Sige.
Tag-init, mainit na. Marami pa rin.
Tag-init na marami pa rin. Sir, shout out sir. Alright. Sige, bye. 1, 2, 3, sayo! Pak!
Yeah!
We find a spot here on the last bridge. And, yeah, let's try to get my stuff. And let's go fishing. Dito sila kabayan. Unti lang sila rito on this spot. Sila lang. Yan. So, nakaset up. And then, they can put a rod there. Alright, let's go. Alright, we are here to the last bridge. Nakakita tayo ng spot. Yan, spot ni sir. Tara sir.
Hoy, shout out Dan. Wala pang first day of catch ngayon.
Shout out sir. Right, try natin makahuli ng bangus. Target natin ngayon is bangus. Ating setup is 3 hook style with a little bit big hook, and we will use the all-time favorite ng bangus, milk bread. Right. Sana makahuli. Save muna natin to, baka maubos ang memory. Alright, so this is the technique on how to get the bait for the milkfish. It's a sliced bread, like this one. Yummy! Baka naman, sponsorship. So you just like fold it in a bit, like too much folding. And yeah, so this is the setup. 3 hook style and directly to the stove. Right, that's right. But not here. Let's go there. Because you know, the milkfish want something hot. Something hot. They like hot. They like very hot. So let's try to go to the hot stop. Hot stop, baby, you see me. Yeah, with the Dubai Burj Khalifa. Alright. I'm freezing. I'm freezing with the hotness. Alright, let's try to cast. And one hand casting. Saan ka pa? Wow! Ang lakas ko. Unlock. Ubos eh, oh. Right, so let's try and reel it back and find something to put this thing upsideward. Right there. Perfect. And now we run. Init. Init. Putik na yun. I think we got our first catch. Our first fish. not that big, but oh, small one. Hello, my friend. How was you? All right, first catch is stripe. We call it stripe, and then some people get bugao, right? Bugao. Ano tawag sa inyo, pre? Ito, isda. Ano tawag sa isda nito? Alam mo? Stripe din, stripe. Right, first catch. Let's see if we can catch more. Yala. Ah, grabing init. Sabig na yan. I cannot. Oh. Sobra. Humid. Init. Oh my God, I chose the wrong hobby. What to do? Oh. Well, at least I can spend my day off like chilling, relaxing. Fun. Oh my God. Oh, we got something here.
One eternity later.